Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to revise the first and second chapter in civics, that is understanding diversity and discrimination. On first, we can go for the understanding diversity. What is diversity? Why India is called as a land of diversity? Because the people in India have the right to speak different languages, they can eat different foods, they can celebrate different festivals, and they can belong to different religion. And how do we explain the diversity? That is, on ancient time, the people they started to move from one place to another for the certain reasons like trade or escape from the natural disasters, from war, for work. The people they started to move from one place to another. There they started the settled life. So the culture and the tradition of the group of the people, those who have moved to the new place, and the new place people, they have some certain culture and tradition. This was combined and created a new diversity land. The adjustment between the new coming person and the person those who are living on that place created the culture and tradition. So that we have learned about the Ladakh, how the people, and about the Kerala. Ladakh, it is in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a snow desert, right? So the people, they will wear the woolen clothes. So how the food cycle of these people will be different. And about the Kerala, we have learned it is in the southwest corner of India. So how the people they will live, and what kind of similarities between China and Kerala we have learned. So the geographical feature of a certain place and the history creates the culture and tradition of the people, right? So unity in diversity. We know diversity and how we created the unity in diversity. In ancient time, British they ruled India because due to India have a large small states, and each state they are having different culture and tradition. They are speaking different languages. So the Britishers they get inspired on us and they started to capture India. So the some freedom fighters of our nation they fight against the British, and we got the freedom from the British. So it created the unity in diversity. The freedom fighters joined their hands together and brought freedom to our country. So this created the unity in diversity. Next we are going to learn the diversity and discrimination. Even though India is a land of diversity, but there are some discrimination among some peoples that they are explaining in two terms, that is prejudice and stereotype. We all know prejudice means judge someone people negatively. Based on the negativity we will think. What we can say that based on the religion, based on the color of the skin, based on the clothes they wore, some people they have some idea without talking or without knowing their personalities and their own. We will judge them. We create some kind of strong opinion about one people. It is called as a prejudice. And stereotype means people in one image, right? People in one pattern. All the group of people. For an example, I have already said boys are naughty. If in a one class a boy is doing naughty, if he is behaving bad, so we will say boys are naughty, right? So this is one of a stereotype. Some people they have some, among some group of people, the people they have the stereotype. These group of people, these religious people are not good. They will not do this kind of activity. They are not fit for this. Like that, the stereotype among the people will be there. And the discrimination. People act upon their happened things. People act on their happened and based on their prejudice and stereotype. For an example, we can say where they have lived, on the living state where they have lived, and certain activities. And due to different religion, caste, the people they will discriminate them. You are not suited for, you should not do this job. This is not for you. Your caste is not selected for this. Your religion is not based on this activity, like that. We will discriminate. That creates the inequality. Not treating the people equally. So, mostly based upon the economical background, the people treat them unequally. So, it creates the low caste and the high caste people. India is a land of caste based society, right, children? India is a caste based society where the cleaning, washing, cutting hairs, etc., this kind of jobs will be done by the low caste people. And some jobs like rulers, trading, and education will be done by the other caste people like Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Brahmins. They are called as the higher caste people. How was the life of low caste? It was so painful and no respect at all. The life of the low caste was so painful and no respect at all. Untouchability, that word will place vital in the lower caste people life. They will not, the lower caste people, they should not touch the upper caste people. They should not take water, common water from the well. They should not enter into the house of the upper caste people. These are all some of the discrimination and inequality played in the upper caste and the lower caste people life. So, striving for equality, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we learned the life of B.R. Ambedkar, his life, and the government, he created the constitution, the book of law, for the government must treat everyone without any discrimination. Everyone should have equal rights. So he created the constitution. If any person is discriminating any group of person or individual, they will be punished by the law, right? For this reason, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he created the constitution. And for the Dalits, mostly for the Dalits, we have learned how he suffered a lot in his young age, and at the later what he did and what are all the changes he brought in Dalit society, right? And India became the secular country at last, right? After creating the constitution, after the independence also, there was some discrimination and inequality among the people. Then he created the constitution, the laws and rules was came. Then India became the secular country, right, children? Thank you and have a great day.